Happy New Year, everyone. It's December 31st, 2024. It's 8:58 a.m. Eastern. It's also New Year's Eve. Let's hope 2025 is better than the last 4 years we've had. This is a screen recording of a live trading session with my small account. I'll pause the video and return when the market opens and I see a possible trade. 8 p.m., second highest gainer, up 400%. Trying to come back to life here on this little move. High of day is 749. It's a long way away from that. But it is trying to pull itself back up. I'll pause and return. I have an order in and I am in on APM. Just 30 shares. Profit and loss is down here. I'm in at 692. Being the last trading day of the year, I just went a little green trade. See if it can get back up over $7 here. Still trying to push. There we go. I am out. Let's go see how we did. All right, quick little scalp, $5.73. That's about a 2% gain on that trade. I was in this thing about 40 seconds. Just took a small position of 30 shares. I didn't want to risk a lot here on the last trading day of 2024. I was in at 692, out at 711. So wanted to end on a positive note. I'll see you next year in the next video.